Ũkũngũĩri wa maumĩrĩra mwaka ũyũ ndũigana kuonekana thutha wa maumĩrĩra maya kũrekererio nĩ Ministry ya Mathomo mũthenya wa ira mĩaraho. Anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa mathomo arĩa twaranĩirie nao magĩtarĩria mamwe ma moritũ marĩa arutwo wa mbere mũtaratara-inĩ ũyũ maratũnganire namo.
When our students joined grade 7, there were a total of 16 learning areas, and out of the 16 they were supposed to pick 12 compulsory learning areas and 2 optional learning areas, a total of 14 learning areas. Then when they transited to grade 8, they were now forced to take even the learning areas that they previously were not taking. But we ensured that we were positive to the changes that were there.
Being the pioneers of CBE has been quite a challenge, since things are a surprise in CBE. We started CBE without quite aware of it, but now we can say we are heading somewhere.
Ona kuhana uguo ni mutaratara ukoretwo gicungiriria aciari gukorwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere gwikithia ciana ciao mawira ma mwarimu niguo homework na gutigirira ni macangira hari kunora ciana ciao.
Thabarĩ ya CBC ikoretwo iri njega tondu mbere twakoragwo tutoire cukuru guikaire no riu tukoragwo turi hamwe part and parcel tondu moka kuria maundu twairwo gwika na mageka tugateithania.
I've scored 7.7, an average of 7.7, and I'm so happy. All thanks goes first to God, to my parents and to my teachers for their great support through this journey.
We had a team that was very dedicated in ensuring that the curriculum was properly implemented. We ensured that our learners were exposed on both the theory part of the curriculum and on the practical part of the curriculum. We also ensured that our syllabus was completed in good time to give way for the formative assessments that take at least a week to ensure that you are done with all the formative assessments. And the completion of the syllabus in good time gave us enough time to ensure that we embarked on adequate topical revision that was cutting across from grade 7 all the way to grade 9.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.